Some cycling jerseys are a crime against humanity, and today I'm pressing charges. Welcome to another cycling style special with me, HOTON, diving into the worst jerseys of 2025. Some cycling jerseys out there should never ever have seen the light of day. In the brand's eternal quest to stay fresh and original, a few design accidents are bound to happen. From the office in the sewers, we're counting down the worst design ideas slapped onto Lycra. Starting off light, Swedish brand SIGR kicks us off with this social service office curtain from 1972. And Rapha creating a jersey that looks like Grand's gardening rubber gloves. Rip grandma, but your drip is haunting me. Next up, Ostroy serves us a random clothes bin quilting aesthetic. You know, when you glue together 4 charity shop shirts in the dark. Yeah, it's that. Except you're meant to pay for it. Coming in like a fever dream, Q36.5 drops this carnival catastrophe. Are you a cyclist? A retired Soviet circus juggler? Or just trying to induce epileptic seizures? Come on! A tie for 7th awarded the most boring and meaningless artwork. Black Sheep's design meeting must have gone like, throw everything leftover design element at this jersey template and make sure nothing matches. And Assos? This so-called space trip jersey is so boring. If I ever bought a trip as boring as this, I'd want my money back. Biehler delivers this unfinished coloring book, like your daughter just outlined the text and then gave up filling in the color. Bonus points for putting a massive SYN right here where your lunch sits. Stunning! Alright, you still with me? If you're already feeling queasy, now is the time to grab a sick bag because we're hitting number 5 and it's a triple whammy from Giordana. Giordana made 3 crimes against Lycra and they're all up on the same website like nothing's wrong. First up, space cats in catstronauts. That's right, kittens in rocket ships. Zooming around the galaxy like they've just been booted out of a rave in Camden. I'm not even mad, I'm just confused. What was the creative brief? What if NASA was run by children with head injuries? Then we have the retro pyramid jersey, a callback to 1980s design that even vintage eBay sellers can't get rid of for €5. And Giordana wants full price, get in the bin. And last, we've got an olive green semi-transparent jersey that makes you look like you've A, been sprayed with sewage, or B, just completed the Paris-Roubaix, which we all know you haven't. Alright, we've hit the halfway point, and if you're still here after Space Cats and Circus Seizures, you're either a masochist or just properly entertained. When you're ready, click part 2 to carry on the suffering.